Today I got my Lovelore blinds installed and I'm here at 505 Front Street doing aesthetics, facials, brows, beauty, all that good stuff. But this was such an exciting day today, and the Lowe's crew came out and installed these amazing blinds that I've never seen before. They're so new age. So just a little bit of turning, and you've got anything from fully shaded and covered, which my clients really like, and to bring in a little bit of light, there's still enough privacy that I love. So I can't say enough good things about this product, about the crew, and it was so quick putting them up. I'm actually this is something that I never even knew existed. I really like the new technology too, of it being shaded, and then you can open it with some nice lighting coming in. I have a spa, so I like mine to be dark like that. But yeah, really happy. I definitely recommend this blind to anyone and everybody.